Hello guys, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how you can make money from Avive Wall project. This project was just launched recently, where you can mine the Avive coin and also earn some extra BTC on this platform. This is just like call that just recently launched their minute, and a lot of people make money from it. So this is what this project is also emphasizing, and they might likely replicate what core did. So but before we dive into details on how you can sign up and start mining and making money from this platform, come to my YouTube channel, Ojo Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn airdrop. So if you're interested in making money online and claiming free cryptocurrency and earning airdrop, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop videos like this. And also don't forget to comment and share your thoughts on this particular video I'm sharing. You can tell me if you have any challenge or whatsoever and how you found the video. So if you've done that, let's dive into the details of today's video. So guys, I will be dropping the link to this platform down the description of this video, or in the Telegram channel, or also in the pinned comment. So I'll be dropping the link in any of these places. So first of all, you go ahead and put your email address, the email you want to use in signing up for this project. Next, you ask them to send you an OTP to your email. They will send you an OTP to your email. Then you go ahead. This is my referral code. You just leave that the way it is. Then you click register. Upon successfully clicking register, it will take you to an interface where it will ask you that you've successfully registered. You should download the app. Now, like down here, you can see if you've registered and you do not see that up notification, just click the link again and come here and click here. Then it will ask you to download the app. You see, like here, you click download APK app. When you download the APK app, you install it on your mobile device, and when you successfully do that, it will look just like the app look just like this. So this is the app. As you can see right here, these are people mining from different location. These are people mining from different location. So you can see right here, you see the axe. It shows that they are mining, and these are people mining around you and far from you. So this is it. So guys, you can see right here, so far I've been able to mine 3.26 Avive, and this coin, I must tell you, is very precious because you don't really get that much when you are mining. And now you see I've mined also this amount of BTC. So guys, what you need to do first before you are able to mine is, first of all, you need to go follow them on their Twitter. I've done just that. That's why I was able to start mining. You need to first of all follow them on their Twitter and drop your Twitter account that you use in following them. That's what you need to do first. After you've done that, then your mining will activate and you will start mining. So just like you said here, 0 round reward on claim, Viva coin in total. Free airdrop will be suspended if over 25 rounds of reward are on claim. So it has a round, so you need to claim it every round. Every round you need to come here and claim. So if after 25 round you do not claim, it will be suspended. You will stop mining. So that's it. So now it says here, so it's referral reward. You will get 100,000 power after inviting 3 inmates to initiate airdrop. So guys, if you refer the power, your mining power arm will be increased. So it will be increased. So this is just the interface right here. You can click team. So I have been able to refer just one person, and the person is still in process. I think the person hasn't initiated yet. That's why you are seeing this. So this is the person status in process. Join time when the person joined. So power, the person has over 200 so power. So that's it guys. Now you can also have level 2 referral. It means when you refer somebody and somebody refer persons, you earn from that. Then you also have tools here. Now this is like core. For those of you who participated in core, this is like core, where you create you create and people join, and this is it. So you have the magic stone and you have the gift box. So whichever one you desire to create, you just create and people join. Now you have your profile where you can do your settings and every other thing, change your ID name and all of that. So that is it right here. This is how you can use the interface, and also you can go increase your revenue right here by referring friends and family, so that you can increase your revenue. It says you earn 20% of the soul power of his soul power will contribute to your team. This is for your first level referral. So that's it, guys. So you can go check their Twitter page. Let's check out their Twitter page. Let's see what they have there. So this is the Twitter page. I've walls. Just like Elon Musk says, you get what you pay for. So I think this is their page. This is what they've been up to. So guys, just go follow them, since you require to follow them so that you keep up to date with them. I've worked to gain your souvenirs in sovereign individual souls. Join us now, guys. Go check them out, follow them, and see how the platform can benefit you. Just mine, you never can tell what will be the outcome of this mining. So just like core that made a lot of people rich, those that were consistent in mining, these two can also make you rich. So if you miss core, here's another opportunity for you. So guys, that is it. So this is the end of the video. So feel free to share this video with families and friends who you know will be interested in making money online. Also drop a comment and like this video so that it will reach other people who are looking for means to make money online. By so doing, you are saving lives and you are helping the world becoming a better place. Thank you. See you in our next video. Goodbye.